Are you a healthy eater? How well do you eat? To find out, read each question below and circle the numbers of your answer. Be honest. Answer the way you really eat, not the way you think you should eat. A. How often do you eat breakfast? 1. I never eat breakfast. 2. I have breakfast once or twice a week. 3. I eat breakfast 3 to 6 times a week. 4. I eat breakfast every morning. B. How often do you snack on fresh fruits and vegetables? 1. I never snack on fresh fruits and vegetables. 2. I snack on fresh fruits and vegetables once in a while. 3. I snack on fresh fruits and vegetables once a day. 4. I snack on fresh fruits and vegetables more than once a day. Do you eat junk food? 1. Yes, I often eat junk food. 2. Yes, I sometimes eat junk food. 3. No, I hardly ever eat junk food. 4. No, I never eat junk food. D. Do you eat quickly? 1. Yes, I always eat quickly. 2. Yes, I eat quickly 90% of the time. 3. Yes, I sometimes eat quickly. 4. No, I usually eat slowly. E. How often do you skip meals? 1. I frequently skip meals. 2. I skip meals about 3 times a week. 3. I rarely skip a meal. 4. I never skip meals. F. How often do you eat something just before you go to bed? 1. I always eat something just before I go to bed. 2. I often have something to eat just before I go to bed. 3. I rarely eat just before I go to bed. 4. I never eat just before I go to bed. G. How often do you eat your largest meal in the evening? 1. I always eat my largest meal in the evening. 2. I frequently eat my largest meal in the evening. 3. I rarely eat my largest meal in the evening. 4. I never eat my largest meal in the evening. H. How often do you eat brown rice or wheat bread instead of white rice or white bread? 1. I never eat brown rice or wheat bread. 2. I sometimes eat brown rice or wheat bread. 3. I usually eat brown rice or wheat bread. 4. I eat brown rice or wheat bread all the time. Your score. Look at the numbers you circle and add them together. The total is your score. For each question on this quiz, the number 4 is the healthiest answer. 32. Congratulations, you have a perfect score. You are a healthy eater. 26 to 31. Good job, you eat very well. 20 to 25. Not bad, but you could eat better. 14 to 19. Oops, you aren't a healthy eater. Remember, fruits and vegetables are really good for you. Junk food isn't. 8 to 13. Oh no, you need to change the way you eat. Can you do it?